Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you watch today's video completely, you will learn how to earn money by selling Facebook followers. By investing only $40, you can earn up to $400. To start earning by selling Facebook followers, first go to the Chrome browser. Then search for bulk follows. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. To create an account on this website, click on Sign up with Google. Then sign up using any Gmail account from your phone. To purchase services from this website, you first need to deposit. To make a deposit, click on the three-dot line at the top right corner. Then click on the deposit button. Scroll down. Click on Choose your payment method. Select a payment method as per your convenience. For example, I selected Payeer. Then, in the amount field, enter how many dollars you want to deposit. Next, click on Continue to Payment. Click on To pay the bill. Then enter your Payeer account login number and password and click on Go Next. A code will be sent to the Gmail you used to create the account. Enter that code and click on Go Next. Then click on Confirm to complete the auto deposit on the website. After the deposit is completed, return to the Bulk Follows website. Then click on the three-dot line again. Click on New Order. Scroll down and click on the Category option. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. After that, click on Facebook page/profile followers. Now, in the link field, paste the Facebook page link of the person you want to sell followers to. Let me show you how you can deposit $40 and earn up to $400 by selling Facebook followers. Suppose you get orders from 10 clients, each asking for 20,000 followers. Your total cost will be around $40. If you charge each client $2 per 1,000 followers, you'll earn $400 in total. In addition, you can sell many other types of services on the website, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and many more.